Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience with the platform. RealtyMogul, found at RealtyMogul.com, offers a unique avenue for individuals seeking to delve into real estate investment. This platform provides access to a diverse range of investment opportunities, allowing users to explore various property types and investment strategies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey in real estate, RealtyMogul presents a potential gateway to expanding your portfolio. They aim to simplify the often complex process of real estate investing, providing resources and tools to aid in informed decision-making. One of the key features of RealtyMogul is its focus on providing access to private real estate investments. This can be particularly appealing to investors looking for alternatives to traditional publicly traded REITs. The platform offers a curated selection of investment opportunities, often with detailed information about the properties and projected returns. It's important to remember that, like any investment, risks are involved, and it's crucial to conduct thorough due diligence before committing any capital. RealtyMogul emphasizes transparency and aims to empower investors with the knowledge necessary to navigate the real estate market. They provide educational resources and insights to help users understand the intricacies of different investment strategies. Their platform interface is designed to be user-friendly, facilitating easy navigation and access to key information. It's worth exploring their website and reviewing the available resources to determine if their approach aligns with your investment goals. Remember, investing in real estate involves inherent risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions, particularly in a specialized area like real estate. RealtyMogul provides a platform for exploring potential investment avenues, but it's essential to conduct your own independent research and assess your risk tolerance. Their website offers a wealth of information, and taking the time to thoroughly explore their offerings is a key step in determining if this platform is the right fit for your investment strategy.